At first glance, this has nothing to do with physics. This is the Three Gorges Dam, stretching over 2 kilometers across the Yangtze River. It's the largest hydroelectric dam in the world. But did you know it might have a tiny effect on the rotation of our planet? When you build a dam and fill it with water, you're changing where the water's weight pulls down on the Earth's surface. You're also shifting the distribution of mass on the planet, and that changes how fast the Earth spins on its axis. Earth spins once every 24 hours. That's a really stable rotation. But according to the laws of physics, specifically the conservation of angular momentum, changing the distribution of Earth's mass can change how fast it spins. Think of it like a spinning ice skater. When they pull their arms in, they spin faster. When the Three Gorges Dam was filled with over 39 billion cubic meters of water, all that mass moved from rivers and lakes into a single location. That's a lot of water, and it shifts mass closer to the Earth's center, slowing the rotation ever so slightly. How much do you need to shift the Earth's rotation by? Well, you need to move about 300 trillion kilograms of mass about 200 meters closer to the Earth's center. That's about the same as moving 10 billion people to centimeters closer to the center. If you want to see the effect, you'd have to measure it with a super precise clock. Even then, it would only appear to move by about 0.06 microseconds, a millionth of a second. But just because it's tiny doesn't mean it's not real, and it shows how human activity can have a measurable impact on the planet, building massive structures, moving water, extracting resources. These are things we do all the time, and for the most part, we don't generally think of them having an effect on things like the Earth's rotation, tides, or even its gravitational field. In fact, it turns out they do have an effect, a measurable effect. So the next time you look at the Three Gorges Dam, which is one of the world's greatest feats of engineering, remember that humans are capable of nudging even the rotation of our spinning world, if only just a little. Thanks for watching this episode. And thanks especially to our supporters who help us make this happen. You guys are awesome, and we've got some awesome science videos coming up that you're gonna love, so stay tuned